This is Liberty stock number 38868. It's an Aronson HTS20GE, 20,000 pound geared elevation, headstock, tailstock positioner, comprised of an HS10GE and a TS10GE, pendant control, serial number 8259 and 8232, year built 1982.
And yeah, you can start right in front of you, obviously. We got the cables laid out on the floor. On the left side, as you come around, you see the pendant. We'll try that in a minute. It's got a parallel system, 2 pendants, so you can stand by one or the other with the cables. And that connects off the main switchgear panel off to the left here. This is the idler. There's the connection. And this is the idler on this side. And this is the driver on that side with the main panel. If you want to walk through it, we can show inside some of the doors if you like.
Yeah, let's do that and look at the racks.
Yeah, you can look at some of the gearing too. A couple of these are open, I think, right now, but here's the switchgear panel. We do have electrical documentation in there. And we're currently running 480 volts up through here. We're temped in.
Okay.
And this one might open. Yeah, some of these open. You can see a little bit in there, just kind of without pulling all the cables out. But and we can show you the other side too in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's all greased up. Yeah, it's not in bad shape. And you pick that up. And here's the cabinets on one anyhow. Open this up a little bit. You it's kind of dark, but you take a look in there. Now the other one won't have this. There's the drive motor for the rotation. And down low is elevation. And close those up. We kind of take a walk. There's not much on the other side of this one. Go take a look at the other cabinet, I guess. And as I said, this is the cable. There's a good 30, 40 feet of cable here. This one will open up a little bit, I think. We can kind of show this somewhat. Same thing. Got the main gearing here. We'll take it up in a minute so we could show the racks and the pinions farther up. I'll take it up a foot or two. Just got to go easy with these cables. I've got everything temped in here. So let me close this up. Nice and easy. We'll open this guy up. Watch yourself. And again, one elevation motor, and that'd be about it. And of course you can see it through the spindle there, right through this hole here. Yep. Through the idler.
Good.
Yep.
I know they do want to see the racks.
Yeah, we're going to take that up a little. Let me close these doors so they don't get caught on anything. Again, same thing on this side. Just a quick peek, but it's all basically the same. Driver's over on this side, which 2 idlers, and back to the other driver on the other 4. It's a 4-post drive. So that said, that's good. If you want to come over here or stay here, I can do the rotation first maybe, and then we'll take it up and down.
Okay, I'll stand here.
All right. I'm going to use the smaller one only because it's small and easy to work with. We'll do the big one just for the sake of the video, but this one's got a little bit longer cord on it. So here's rotation. I think we're hot already. This does have an on-off switch on this one. I think this shuts it all off. Yes. So on, and this is rotation. That's up and down. So one rotation. We go the other way. It all runs nice. And then up and down, right down here. And you'll hear the clicking of the relays. These have synchronization flags inside there, so when you change direction or if one gets ahead or behind the other, you'll hear one momentarily shut off and the other one catch up, and they kind of synchronize themselves. There's a 4-flag system inside the box. That's download. Wait, we want to go up first. You hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, they pick up.
They're both going up.
Yeah, that's the way the circuitry works. They always synchronize themselves at every 90 degrees. Okay, we get them up a little bit and take a better look at the outside. Kind of get up close on there and see that.
we'll come back to that, but yeah, good.
We'll go up a little
Yeah,
bit more.
yeah,
if
go
you want.
further.
Okay. Let me go check my cable on the other side, make sure we're clear on everything here. So, we don't want to be pulling everything. I get a lot of stuff temped in here. All right, go a little bit more.
Yep.
There we go. And if you want to take a walk around, like I said, take a look at the racks. They're not dinged up or anything. We looked at them, couldn't find anything chipped out.
Yep.
Most of these don't get played around with a lot. I think they find their elevation. They don't move them a lot after that. So. Watch your step.
Thank you. They look good.
Yeah. Yeah, we ran them full up, full down to make sure the top and bottom limit switches work, so we're good there.
Okay.
All right, set it back down a little bit, then we'll grab the big pendant and do the same thing and call it a day here, so go for it. I'm just gonna hit it, go down. That wasn't down, that was up. I always hold this thing upside down because it's more comfortable. Before we go much farther, let me pull up the big box. I just hit E-stop by accident, but that's okay. Get this on this side, clean this up a little bit. The V-stop on, back on, rotation. God, I'm off. How about, they call forward rotations. There's rotation. Same thing as before, but different box.
Mm-hmm.
Go the other way. And let's see if up is up on this one, because it says up. Let's see if it goes up. I don't know. That works. It works like it's supposed to. We were heading down a little bit. Let's go back down some. Pretty much it there. It all works.
Yep, we'll take it, move it all the way down for shipping, right?
For
Slow all the way
shipping,
down.
well, yeah, we'll come close to bottom. We'll get them about 1 inch off the plates, maybe, sure.
All right, that's a wrap.
Yeah, it does two things.